In this video, I'm going to show you how to lower AWS Bedrock costs before your AI bill spikes without doing any technical changes by simply getting an AWS reseller to negotiate for you against AWS and get the best commercial offer possible on your account. So this is a great way to reduce your AWS Bedrock costs without doing the technical changes needed and getting an engineer to do a technical audit and optimize your spend. So in this video, I'm not going to explain Bedrock like an AWS architect because I am not. If you're a founder, the question is commercial. So can a cloud partner or reseller package the account and get hyperscaler offers you would not see as a direct pay-as-you-go customer? This is the question you need to ask, and the answer to it will save you a lot of money. So to keep things plain, what this actually means. Right now, you pay the cloud bill as a pay-as-you-go customer of AWS. So what this actually means is very simple. You still pay the cloud bill, but you do not pay a separate consulting or an intro fee or whatever you think the partner charges. But the partner is actually being compensated by your hyperscaler. So how this looks is the partner/reseller packages the account. They take your spend, your projected growth, and your current workload. With that, they go to the hyperscaler and they get offers to keep your account so you don't churn and go to a competitor hyperscaler. So they will get you stuff like additional credits. This can go up to $350,000 of cloud credits that will subsidize your costs. Another thing they get you is discounts. They can get you a 3 to 5% discount on your cloud bill, and they can get you better payment terms like net 90 payment terms, and they can get you funded work. So in this case, they can get an actual audit of your AWS Bedrock environment done by a technical team, and it's all being funded by your provider AWS. So you don't pay for any of it, and your engineer's time is not being consumed. They can focus on shipping the product, and you get free work done on your environment. So after you get all of those offers, your bill will route through the partner. So you pay the same thing, but you just route it through an official AWS partner, and you will get better payment terms like net 90 payment terms if you go to the right partner. And with that, you can reduce your spend without doing any technical changes, without taking your engineers and making them audit your AWS environment. You will get free money by just going to the right partner. So this is primarily for AI founders on AWS. If you're using Bedrock directly and you're hearing the AI feature runs for Bedrock, you're seeing the usage is becoming real spend and you're going to spend a lot of money on AWS Bedrock. What you need to do is check the commercial options before you see real runway damage. So a tiny proof of concept is just a bill, but if your AI workload is going, this is a real commercial case. In that case, you should really check what you qualify for. If your usage is small, just pay and learn. You don't really have anything to do. But if it's a recurring spend and it's going to get bigger, you should package the account and go to a reseller because they can save you a ton of money. In terms of actual numbers, usually when you start spending $3,000 or more on your AWS bill, that's when all of the commercial options start to open. So these are the 5 routes an AWS reseller can get you before you start doing any technical changes. So the first thing is credits before cash. So an AWS reseller can get you public credits, they can get you partner side credits which are not on the public catalog, and they can get you credit extensions. So if your credits are about to expire in 1 month, they can extend it to 6 months if they package the right deal and showcase it to the hyperscaler. The next thing they can do is have funded AI related work on your account. So your AWS Bedrock usage is going up. They can get funding from AWS to do the architecture review on your account, so your engineers don't waste any time and they can actually ship the product, and in that time you're getting work done for free on your account that optimizes your spend. So this is something an AWS reseller can get you that will not cost you any money. So the next thing you can get is discounts and better payment terms. So you can get private offers. Basically, the partner says, you're a good account and I want you under my reseller agreement. I'll give you a discount of 5% on your cloud bill, and I will package all of your softwares together and get you better payment terms like net 90 payment terms, which means you get your cloud bill, but you pay it in 90 days. So it's a great way to extend your runway and get more working capital. And the next thing a partner can do is do a marketplace routing. So your spend counts in the cloud marketplace, and that helps better your agreement through AWS and get you more of these commercial offers open. It's a great way to get more on your account without spending more. So these are the things a partner can get you. They will take all of these and they will review with the hyperscaler what they can offer for you. And a good partner can get a lot of this done. And if you're an AI startup and you spend over $3,000 per month, that's when most of this stuff starts to open up. So I would definitely check it out. So I hope you understand now what you can actually get before doing the technical changes. So if I were you, I would do the commercial offers first. I would check what I'm eligible for, and then I'll start looking into technical cleanups after I know what I can actually get. So the first thing is check the partner and reseller offers, the credits, the funded work, the discounts, the payment terms, and routing your spend through the marketplace. Then I would take the offers that actually fit my account and use them and save as much money as I can get. And the last thing I would do is then let my engineers to optimize where it makes sense. But usually you can get this type of work funded by your hyperscaler. So that's probably the better route, as you don't want to waste your engineers' time doing technical audits and you want to ship your product instead. So if your Bedrock usage is getting really big, you should go to cloudcredits.co. So if you go to cloudcredits.co, you can check in under 1 minute what your account qualifies for. And after you know what you qualify for, you can get matched with a pre-vetted partner who will get you these offers. And this thing doesn't cost you money. You just get routed to a pre-vetted cloud partner, and I get compensated by the actual partner, and you don't pay anything. So this entire thing is at no cost to you and can save you a lot of money. So if I were you, go to cloudcredits.co, check what you're eligible for, and get the actual offers claimed on your account. So if you got value from this video, feel free to subscribe because I'm going to post more of these, and I hope you have a great week.